Two other useful effects within the stylized category are the feather and round corner effects. The feather effect softens all of the edges a given radius amount. This can result in making the object seem a lot softer and easier to deal with. It also helps in blending with other objects that might be behind it. Another useful stylized effect is the round corners effect. It can be added to any object to round out the sharp points in the given path. For this effect, you can specify the radius of the rounded curve.